We just want to show these on this roof, all these penetrations, because they're gonna need some maintenance. And on this vent, one reason is this part is lifting up already, and there's no sealer underneath anywhere. Anybody coming underneath here, it will go underneath and it will go inside. The other part is gonna be these vents. These vents has the same situation. You can see this part lifting up. We need to lift the shingles up, remove these 3 nails, apply sealer underneath the vent here, underneath the shingle, and then underneath the vent here, and then put some screws so they never backed up. Then we have these boots. This was never apply any caulking in this part, and we can see how this move. Water penetrates there, and same thing, no sealer, nothing. Everything, wind definitely lift this up, we can create a damage. Same thing, remove the seal between the boot and the shingles, remove the nail, seal underneath the boot. Same thing on this vent, same thing on this metal pipe. Everything, no sealer around. The last part will be this one. This is a hook for the harness. When they put this exposed, this was supposed to be covered. Every time you touch this, it's gonna break. Now it's all fried. We need to remove this and put a shingle on top of this, like replace this shingle, so we can fix the nail hole and leave everything properly sealed. See, it doesn't seem that it's broken, but look at that. This is why we recommend the maintenance. While we are doing the maintenance, we will walk through the entire roof and look for things like any exposed nails, any missing shingles, anything like this will be checked and repaired. I have missing granules. You can see the fiberglass, and let's see what else we can find here. Okay, holes on the shingles, nails. So all this will be sealed, part of the maintenance.